It's National Garden Day.
I love the garden.
I love it. It's gardening. I apologize.
Yes,
gardening. But when you're in the garden, you're gardening usually.
You are, and I can't wait till it gets warm enough to do that.
It felt pretty good to me yesterday, though.
I know, but I'm just saying the night times. We got to be careful with the temperatures.
Amen to that.
Yes.
I'm sick of the nighttime being cold.
I know.
In the mornings.
Yeah.
We have so much great garden decor to show you. There are so many great options from Price Cutter. In fact, I need to take a picture of it. I was at Price Cutter last week and bought 2 giant Boston ferns.
Oh, nice.
And they're hanging on my porch, and they look amazing. And the nice lady in the floral department, Lily, said, you got them by them now. We had 5 truckloads.
Oh, they go fast. Everybody loves the ferns.
There was about 10 left, so I took 2. I love them.
And every time you're at Price Cutter, when you're shopping for groceries, you need to go through the floral department because they have something new all the time.
Yes. In fact, look at the garden decor down here. We have some beautiful, just like lawn decor items, like flags and stands. And look at the little...
I love the bird.
I know.
Look at the bird right here.
That's so cute.
Look at the bird. So cute.
Bird holding a little lantern.
And you can put this on your porch or anywhere.
So cute. And the little welcome sign. It's like, welcome to the yard.
Welcome to my home.
Just welcome.
Yes.
Oh, it's so cute.
That is adorable.
They have actually, I was surprised to see just how many outdoor decor items they had.
Yeah.
It's like, look at this one right over here. This is the solar-powered lamp with some beautiful petunias. Now, I think these are the trailing petunias, because look how beautiful this would be as it grows over the season. It just falls over.
Gorgeous. So this is solar-powered, so that's going to light up?
At nighttime,
At nighttime. Oh, pretty.
So you have you could line your walkway with these and have these light up at nighttime with these beautiful flowers
I love
trailing
that.
over. Isn't that wonderful? Also, I know you love these right here, Kel.
I do, and mine is coming back this year, but it doesn't look this pretty yet, so, you know, the ones coming back in the yard, you want to get something like this. This is a nice gift for someone. They can plant it in their yard and have it year after year.
By the way, the hydrangeas, hibiscus, and ferns are the best prices in town, just so you know. This color was the color that my grandma had in Washington State. And they grew in Washington State. They grow so big.
Yes, they do. It's the perfect place for hydrangeas. But take a look at this one. This is the like some of mine. You've got some purple and you've got some kind of red purple, different colors on here, and they're gorgeous.
And also, what I love to do. My aunt Bonnie in Texas is a floral designer, and she would come over and do our baskets. I mean, our potting pots like this, because she would mix all different kinds of flowers to have like the mixed look on our front porch.
I love
and she always knew the best combination. Well, so does Price Cutter, because look, they've incorporated the snapdragons, the marigolds, and incorporated little butterflies just for extra texture.
And even the little bee here, those little butterflies add a pop of color and just interest to. They're just adorable.
I love it. It's all about height and textures, because as it grows, it's going to stay in this fun, perfect shape, which I can't wait for.
Yes.
And of course, look at the bulbs down here. We have some bulbs.
Yes.
Lanterns. I mean, there's just so many great options. In fact, I was at East Battlefield a couple weeks ago, and they had some like lawn furniture, some really beautiful lawn furniture.
Oh, nice.
But I went back a couple days later, it was gone. I think somebody already bought it.
Well, and that's the thing. If you see something at Price Cutter, you better get it right now because it will be gone that quick. In fact, I'm going over today. So I'm. Hey, wait! You didn't mention this one. Look at
I
that.
forgot down here. Look at this cute little one.
Guy.
Look at this. This is absolutely gorgeous. And by the way, too. Coming up in just a few short weeks is National Professionals Day, like what they used to call Secretary's Day.
Oh, yeah.
They used to, and that's not PC anymore.
No, right.
It's National Administrative Professionals Day, and of course Mother's Day is going to be here before you know it.
Yes.
This is a great gift because this you can enjoy all summer long.
You know, my mom's coming this weekend. I think I'll pick up something for her because I don't know if I'll see her on Mother's Day.
Look how cute!
She loves to garden too.
Does she really?
Yeah, so she's always.
Do you think she would like this one? Because you need to see this one.
I definitely. That's my favorite right there. I'm going to get that one today.
Head to Price Cutter or Country Mart and pick up this beautiful selection.
Yeah, we'll be back right after this. That's the one I want.
I know, it's so. I forgot it was covered by the petunias.
I love that.
It's so pretty. I love. Look at this.
It's gorgeous.
I think that's mouse ear.
Is it like a ground cover?
So pretty.
Yes.